Hey, good day to all of you. My name is Blair and welcome to another Linux OS. Our first look right here in Elementary OS 7, which is Horus. And this Elementary OS 7 Horus is built in with the base of Ubuntu with 22.04.1 LTS with the kernel, Linux 5.15.0 generic. And let's take a look into this as our first look into our Elementary OS. So as you can see, I visited this website and I realized that they were about to release a few days ago, and of course, when they released a few days ago, I downloaded as soon as possible. Just like before, you're always like visiting the website, the official website, so that there will be no sketchy viruses, malware, spyware, or anything else. So you have to go to the official website, which is our OS right now, Elementary OS 7. So what is their website? So their website is elementary.io for their website, their official website. So we have this official website right now displayed. So as you can see right here, all thoughtful, capable, ethical replacement for Windows and Mac OS. And you can download this with 10 US dollars, 20 US dollars, or 30 US dollars, or you can customize as 0 and you can download this. As you can see, it's already been up right now in our OS right now. I'm here at the Elementary OS 7 desktop, which is running right now, and that is why there is a little bit like different from the original field that I have in several days ago when I still have the Elementary OS 6.1, and right now I'm in the new Elementary OS 7.0. So let us take a look into this and what's going on in this OS. So this is kind of cool. They have the updates and it's a little bit like different, and then it comes with a mountainous type of background, which is I already changed. Let me see. This is the actual background when I install it, and I give it a test run for a couple of hours, and then I use it in my class to teach for our computer and science at the same time. So this is basically cool, and come to think of it, it has a different feel already, but I'm using this one right now, so I'm going back to that one. So let's try to see the system as the hardware says. So of course I still have like 12 gigabytes of memory, which is below the required memory, random access memory, which is 16 gigabytes of random access memory. But right now I'm just like using 12 gigabytes of random access memory. Of course I have the 1 terabyte NVMe SSD or solid state drive with a quad-core 11th generation i5 with 2.4 gigahertz frequency, and it comes with the Iris Xe graphics embedded in this Intel firmware. Well, it's 267 UEFI. Yes, this is all by default. And of course this is a little bit like different compared to the original, or I mean the previous version, which is 6.1. And as you can see, the icons is a little bit like roundy, and it is not flat anymore. And of course I already downloaded my KDE Live or Caden Live or KDE Neon Live. I also downloaded the open broadcast software, which is right now running. There it is. It is running. Yay! And at the same time, I also downloaded the OnlyOffice desktop editor. And of course, because I'm teaching all of those science and computer stuff right here in the school, which is Sanabin School right here in Khon Kaen, Thailand, in the northeast region, Asian region. Scratch is also here. Stellarium is also here, so I could like teach them with star mapping and programming. And at the same time, I also download Viber, which is my communication through my folks. And of course, I also downloaded the Genome Boxes virtual box, and not only that, but also Gcomprise, which is for my graders, students, who I teach how to navigate the computer at the same time. But to be real, they're really, really good compared to the adults. No offense. At the same time, I downloaded the dist usage analyzer. It doesn't comes with it, and custom screen resolution GUI or graphic user interface, or customized screen resolution. And of course, download also the Chromium, the Google Chromium, which is the only the open source Chrome version of their Google web browser. And of course, I also download, yeah, the VLC. Didn't come with VLC, it comes with this one. I forgot the name of this program. And of course, Firefox I also download because it comes with this. So let's try to see what's their programs right here, their webs. So it comes with this. You don't need to download some of this, but of course, I'm also using other application, so that's why I downloaded it. But if you are just ordinary user, you don't need to download those programs because it already comes with it. So let me see, what can we see right here? So this is just information, of course, the developer, get involved, store. Let me see, what is their store? You can get Linux laptops and desktops through Slimbook and Star Labs. Of course, well, if you can help the developers, I really like this one, the gold logo. It costs like $55 plus. T-shirts also available. Sudo, yay! Maybe in other times, maybe I could like purchase this one. T-shirts, outerwear, mug, laptop sleeves, poster, pillow, and something new. So this is their website and their store. If you need support, well, the Elementary OS support can help you. Installation guide, the basic learning about this installation, and so on and so forth. So cool, so cool. Let me see another, because I already like searching for something new about Elementary OS 7. So Elementary OS 7 based on this website, which is itsfast.com news. So it gears up to add responsive apps, modernized icons. Yes, of course, I noticed the modernized icons, and port to GTK4. Kind of cool. Let me see some of these modernization. Yeah, Okay, modernization look of the app icons, flat pack platform, shifting to responsive design, porting app to GTK4, and my major improvement to the app center and system. Of course, I noticed this one. It's a little bit like different compared to the previous version, which is kind of cool. It is modern look, and it is not like the former icons they have. It's kind of like flat, but it's okay. So this is gonna be my first look. It's not the first look into this desktop, but this is a new version, the 7. And of course, improvement for the app center. Yeah, kind of cool. They have some improvement, but I'm also looking for something like the tweaks. I also tweaked about it already, like my volume raised to the maximum of 150 compared to the only to 100, which is a little bit low, but it's okay. So this is my first look, and it is a little bit okay for me. I need to play with this for a month or 2 weeks. So it's Mac OS like experience. Distribution is it grows over the years with new feature with version 6.1. It is polished compared to the previous version, and the App Store is a little bit like okay already, but I think they're lacking a little bit, but it's okay. It is just my first look. If you at the same time, this one, the automatic updates is also cool. It really seen as a new version, or this 7th version, which is kind of cool. They have this look. You can change the desktop, like the appearance. You can default. You can like, of course, I like the dark, so I'm good with this. And the size, yes, the text is okay. The dock, which is okay already. It's not too small. It's just okay. Too large, no. I'm just like okay with it. Hide, no, I don't want. It's just okay with me. Multitasking, yes. You have like this, you have like that, but you have to do something like this multitask right here, like that one. If you do like this, you have to maximize or show menu, like when you do like this. So this is what I exploring for the past few days already. It's already February 3, which is Friday, and they will just release it just January 30 or February 1. It depends on your location. The automatic update is okay. You have the free and paid application. Improve application, yes. The UI or the user interface and performance improve. The developer rewrote the music app, which is just instead of like having this is a little bit like basic, they already like improve it compared to like the previous version. Yeah, this is what I also noticed. So I think this is the same with other bloggers at the same time. Let me close that one. So basically they're cool already. Yeah, even the camera, the desktop calendar, it's okay. The application, let me see the application. I need to move that one. I need to close this one. So you have this. I'm still checking for my download for the application, updating, checking. As you can see, this is the update. Checking for updates. Yes. So running time is also trying to update. No update, but okay. No running update. Yay. So yeah, this is kind of cool. This is a little bit modern and at the same time easy to navigate, especially for the new users of the elementary OS. This is kind of cool already. I like even the design from this icons. It's a little bit completely modern already compared to the 6.1. As you can see, you can still have the paid right here, your paid application. Can always like help the developer to include some of this paid. I gotta play with this one until I memorize everything, because it's kind of different compared to the previous version. It's 6.1, and this is the first look that I have. I have all the stuff right here, from the battery indication to the multitasking to the files, web, email, task, calendar, music, videos, photos, system settings, App Center, and of course I download this Firefox and OBS Studio, which is right now I'm using. So anyway, that is my first look into this elementary OS 7.0. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope this will be your a chance to look into this Linux elementary OS if you want to join the Linux. And of course, I made a video just a few days ago and upload this. I don't know if I'm gonna upload this the same day with this first look OS, but it's all about Windows. When I boot my our desktop Windows over there in our desktop right here in school, there actually it's basically so many virus, so many malware, so many spyware, so many sketchy. First indication, it was like no virus, no issues, but after you click cancel, you'll be surprised. There will be a 300 plus issues, which is kind of like sketchy for me, because they say they don't have any issues. Then when I cancel it, they produce the numbers of 300. Oh, scary. Yeah. I used to be a Windows user, especially when Windows early 2000. But after that, during 2019, I just realized that, oh no, Windows is too much commercialized. I need to move out, and the solution is to jump into my second OS, which is now my daily driver, which is Linux OS, which is Pop OS, Elementary OS, Ubuntu OS, Linux Mint OS, and at the same time I have the Linux Lite OS and the Big Linux OS. So that's my OS right now with my laptop, and at the same time my older laptop. So that's it for now for our first look OS Elementary OS 7 Horus. That's their code name. So bye for now and see you in the next episode. I'm Blair saying see ya. And remember that science means knowing because science is cool. Ciao.